Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. The Met Office has named Storm Floris, which will move across Scotland on Monday, bringing some impactful weather. Now on Saturday daytime, it's a fine day, the best day of the weekend. It's going to be dry with some sunshine, make the most of it. Through Saturday night, this is a band of cloud and rain, which will bring some heavier weather to Scotland into the early hours of Sunday morning before it clears. In its wake, a scattering of showers before things calm down yet again. The ridge extends across the country. But that's not the end of the story. As I said, Storm Floris will move in on Monday. There's a broad yellow warning extending across the whole of Scotland as we head through the day. Now, gusts inland could reach 40 to 50 miles an hour. Across exposure, that's hills as well as mountains and coastlines, up to 60 or 70, and in excess of 80 miles an hour will be the highest gust. So that will bring problems on the roads with flying debris, heavy rain, a risk to high-sided vehicles. There will be some disruption if you are travelling through Monday, certainly with this area of low pressure, which is only slowly moving towards the northeast. And even into Monday evening, you can see a real squeeze on the isobars towards more northern and eastern areas. So some high waves associated with this as well. It does eventually clear off the scene, but still windy into Tuesday with the risk of some heavy showers. Let's pick up on some detail though through Friday evening. If you're stepping out, it's mostly fine. Still some fleeting showers moving in across northern and eastern areas and a brisk breeze for Shetland. But through the night, things tend to dampen down. We'll see drier conditions, some starry skies, and it is going to feel cooler than recently. So a bit of a chilly start to the day come Saturday morning. Temperatures dipping down to mid-single figures, if not lower, across the Highlands and in the Glens. Along the coastline, probably 10, 11, 12. However, Saturday will dawn bright with some sunshine. Yet again, one or two showers through the morning across Shetland as well as Orkney, but then they will tend to fade away. Thickening cloud will bring with it some dull skies to the west through the afternoon. The odd spot or two of rain can't be ruled out, but for the bulk of the country, it's going to be a lovely day to be out and about with a light breeze and temperatures really responding to the sunshine, 20 or even 21 degrees Celsius. But that's not the end of the story. It's really on Saturday night and into Sunday we'll see a bank of cloud and rain move in. Now some of this rain will be heavy, you could see some showers ahead of it as well. Notice the back edge, a stronger wind and also some more torrential downpours, even with the risk of thunder. So expect some heavy rain for a time as it skirts towards more eastern areas through Sunday morning. So Sunday will improve weather-wise. We'll see brightening skies, but a legacy of showers coming through as the rain becomes confined by lunchtime into the afternoon to Shetland. And feeling quite fresh also with that breeze, 18, 19, 20 degrees Celsius. And then some calm weather into the early hours of Monday morning. But through Monday, we watch as that deep area of low pressure named Storm Floris moves in from the Atlantic. You'll notice first the cloud will pick up and then the rain will arrive and then the winds will really strengthen. So inland gusts, as I said, at 40 to 50 miles an hour. Expect some flying debris associated with that, and that rain continues to sweep northwards and eastwards as those winds really pack a punch. So it's going to be a very windy day wherever you are, but certainly over the hills, the mountains, as well as the coastline. You could see high waves and also some very gusty conditions. Your outlook then through Tuesday, still breezy, still windy, a fair amount of cloud and also some showers. I'll see you later.